Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Coinbase application on your iPhone. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Coinbase application is not working properly on your iPhone, then here are some troubleshooting methods you could follow. The first thing to do is that there might be several reasons why your Coinbase application is not working as it was supposed to on your iPhone. There might be high chances that there are some bugs or glitch in the Coinbase app, or your Coinbase app server might be down temporarily. In that case, you cannot do anything, so just wait till the bug is resolved from your Coinbase team side or when the Coinbase server is up. Even after waiting for a couple of hours, if you're not being able to use your Coinbase application, then the next fix in order to resolve the issue is to log out and log into your Coinbase app. Simply tap open Coinbase application and from the main home page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner. Now click on Profile and Settings from the expanded menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Sign Out. Confirm signing out by tapping on Sign Out one more time at the bottom right. And once you are back in this screen, click on the Sign In button at the bottom right. Type in your Coinbase account's credentials, that is your email address, followed by your password, and tap Sign in order to log in back to your Coinbase app. And once you sign into your account, you might be able to solve the issue. If you're still not being able to fix the issue, then the next thing to do is to clear out your app cache on your iPhone. Simply tap Open Settings from your iPhone and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Go to iPhone Storage from the options. Search for Coinbase from the app list and give it a tap. Tap on Offload App and confirm offloading the application by tapping Offload App one more time at the bottom. This will delete the app, but keep its documents and data safe. Now, once the offload process has been completed, tap on Reinstall App in order to reinstall your application one more time on your iPhone. Now, once you are done with it, simply open up your Coinbase application and see if that fixes the issue. If nothing else works out, you can try updating your Coinbase app to the latest version. Simply tap open your App Store and in the search box, search for Coinbase. If you see an update button right next to Coinbase app, then you'll need to tap on that update button to download the latest version of Coinbase. If you see open, you won't need to update your application since it's already done. Once you update your Coinbase app to the latest version, your problem might be solved. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if your Coinbase application is not working on your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.